Another really exciting tool that they have implemented and that I would recommend to you as a resource is HeyGen. HeyGen is basically an avatar that you create one time. You film a video like this. You have to stare in front of the camera and basically talk about anything that you want to talk about. And then it will literally use what you just said and make an entire script for you. And it doesn't have to even be on the topic. And if you're someone like me that actually enjoys filming, you will understand that, it's not the worst thing that you have to film all the time, but getting ready, practicing your scripts every day in the mirror for hours and hours and hours, it is kind of frustrating sometimes. And if you're camera shy or have a hard time relating to people on camera or doing the whole filming thing, well, this is a solution for you, and you have no more excuses ever again because you only have to do it one time. How freaking cool is that? You only have to film yourself one time, and you can do this with any of your businesses. You can literally use this resource for anything. It'll script it out for you. You will talk to ChatGPT, make a script for you, insert that script into HeyGen, use your avatar that you filmed, and it will create this entire video for you, all with the power of artificial intelligence. I don't know about you, but this is sounding really beautiful to me and so much of a time saver. The thing is like, we are only human. So we need to leverage these resources to better assist our businesses so we can spend more time doing the things we love. Working and making money was never meant to be very hard, okay? We just tend to make things harder than they need to be, and that is me included. I tend to make the most simplest task so complex because I want everything to be perfect. I want it to be, top tier and of high standards. And I'm really grateful that I've always kept that standard of excellence because I literally use it in every single aspect of my life. But I have to remind myself sometimes I don't have to be perfect. I'm not meant to be perfect, and with resources like this, it allows us to achieve that sense of perfection without so much time and effort in place. Everyone knows how difficult running a business can be sometimes. So we must use these resources to our advantage, use the power of AI to spend less time behind the computer screen and more time doing the things that we love.